Hello everyone! Today we're going to bake Raffaello cake with apricots. In German we call it Raffaello-Torte mit Aprikosen. This is a German recipe and I am pretty sure that you will love this. So here's what we need. I know that this is quite a long list, but you can find the recipe in the description box. So now we're going to prepare the cake. First, we have to roast the 50 grams desiccated coconut. And then beat the egg whites to stiff. Now we have to beat the soft butter with the sugar and the vanilla sugar. And now we're going to mix all the dry ingredients. So we have the flour, we add the baking powder, the roasted coconut flakes, and then we mix until well combined. Now we have to add the egg yolks gradually to the butter mixture and beat till smooth. Then add the dry ingredients. Fold in the egg whites gradually into the batter. Grease the baking pan. I normally use melted butter. Now put the batter into the baking pan and I use spatula to level it. In 175 degrees Celsius temperature, bake for about 30 minutes. Allow it to cool down. While waiting, we can start preparing for the cream. From the 18 Raffaello balls, set aside 4 pieces for decoration and chop the rest. From the drained apricots, set aside 3 pieces for decoration and the rest cut them into half. Once the cake has cooled down, run a knife around the edges to loosen it from the side and then remove the ring. Now warm the apricot jam so it's easier to spread over the cake. Now we can arrange the apricots on top of the cake. Now whip the 500 grams cream with the cream thickener until stiff. Fold in the chopped Raffaello balls into the cream. Now put the cake ring around the cake and see to it that it's tight on the side so the cream will not flow down to the side. Then refrigerate for 2 hours. The best would be overnight. The next day you can decorate the cake. Loosen the sides, then remove the ring. And now we can decorate the cake. From the 100 grams whipped cream, we make this cream tufts or puffs, whatever you call it, where we put the Raffaello balls on top. And then spread the apricot strips around the cake. You can be creative here. You can make your own design. Normally, from the 4 Raffaello balls that we set aside, we cut them into half and then we put it on top of the cake. But since I had extra, I decided to use whole Raffaello balls. With the rest of the coconut flakes, we cover the sides of the cake slightly. Here I use just a knife to try to stick them on the sides. But I guess there's a better way of doing it. I still have to discover as well. And finally, the cake is finished and we are ready to cut a piece. Well, I can tell you that the combination of the cake, the apricots in between, and the cream on top is just perfect. It's coffee time with my family. Until my next video.